Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, August the 26th. Looks like the markets are suddenly breaking down for some reason. There has been quite a bit. This is the SP, S&P 500 rather. Okay, so I told you that it had bounced back to a level of resistance and now it seems to be breaking down. I would suspect that it would at least test the Ichimoku cloud. This looks like an A, B, C wave, so yeah, that's feasible. Let's take a quick look at the VIX. Here's the VIX. Looks like the volatility is on the rise. Okay, well, I'm gonna go to my trades. I don't really want to enter anything new. Okay, so let's quickly organize them alphabetically and start with Apple here. And let's take a look at the Analyze tab. That looks pretty good. Okay, expiration is September 16th, so there's no need to change anything. The volatility for Apple is still below 40%, so it is fine. We are waiting for a big spike in volatility for making our profits. If not a big rally, well, as you can see, Apple has already rallied quite strongly with the earnings and now it's coming down. And the volatility is on the rise, as you can see here. Okay, good. It might make us some money. Let's look at C, that's Citigroup. Volatility also on the rise. Let's Analyze tab here. Go to the Analyze tab, September the 9th. No, we already took one call off the table, which was a good thing because now the deltas are negative, but only slightly, and that's fine. The question is, would I take also a put here? Not really. I'd like to see it break below the Ichimoku cloud before I do that. We'll see. Okay, we can see that so far year to date, a slight loss there. All right, let's go to Costco. Take a look at the chart first. Yeah, that looks toppy too. Looks like a head and shoulders forming. We'll see. This will be the head, shoulder on the right, on the left, and then on the right. Okay, so volatility also seems to be picking up there. Let's take a look at the monitor tab here and Costco right here. Okay, we have made good money on Costco, $5,243. It's our best performer. Second only, no, the second here will be UPS. Okay, so $5,000 of Costco, takes the cake, doesn't it? Let's take a look at the Analyze tab. Okay, I did a roll up already, so the deltas are negative, only slightly. That sounds reasonable. Question is, would I modify this trade in any way? No, I think we're going down. Earnings are coming up and hopefully we will make a few bucks before that and then close it in advance of earnings, or at least neutralize. How would I neutralize? Well, what if we take one of these puts? How would I take that out? By rolling it down. Doesn't make any sense to roll it down because the puts that we have are at 520 and the stock is trading currently at, let's reset here, reset parameters, let's reset slices, and yeah, it's trading at 541, so that's way away from 520, so I wouldn't know how to take that profit. You could take profit by buying back this call, but that would pretty much modify the trade too much. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. Delta is close to neutrality, it's a little negative. Okay, so let's leave it there. CSX. CSX, here we have, is delta positive. We are right here at the edge here. Okay, for this one we could take one call off the table, couldn't we? Let's see, take a look at the chart. Yes, let's take that off. Let's take a call off. We have plenty of calls here. Analyze closing and just sell one and see what it does. Okay, delta with the sale of that call will be 22. Without it will be 105. Yeah, so we want to do that. In fact, I could do even 2. And that neutralizes, no, it makes it 2 delta negative. Let's leave it at that. Just take one off and it gets closer to neutrality, which is what I want to do. Okay, and that's sold right away. Good, let's leave it like that. September, you can also sell 1 put or 2 puts. And it would have to be at the same strike price as your short calls. So we would sell puts, same expiration, same strike price, and you could sell 1. It just get 5 cents. That's nothing, so I'm not going to do that. Let's move on to Disney. We have September the 23rd. Okay, it's plenty of time for it to work. Not going to do anything, I don't think. Let's look at the chart. Yeah, that's the way down. It seems like it will continue down. In the Analyze tab here, let's look at the Monitor tab. Disney, yes, so far it's a slight loser. No, I don't need to change anything, I don't think. Let's go to GS, Goldman Sachs. In this case, I already sold a call. You can see that I rolled it up from 325 to 350, and now it's coming down. Let's take a look at the chart. Yeah, that looks negative as well. You can see that my deltas are negative slightly. It looks fine to me. So I'm not going to change anything at this point. Just waiting for the big drop. Hopefully we'll have a big drop. Look at the move today. It would be a good idea to check the news when you see something like this. This is an hourly chart. Let's put a 4-hour chart on the Dow Jones, big move. If we take a look at the daily chart, yeah, that's a continuation. So you have one wave down, 1 wave up, and continuing down. The news will tell you what's going on. Stocks drop after Fed Powell warns of pain ahead, vows to keep at it until inflation wanes. Okay, so what does that mean? They will keep on raising interest rates until inflation is under control. So yeah, that kind of thing will surprise you, and we could potentially make a new low if this status continues. We'll see. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.